Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. A tin contains tea bags with a choice of 4 different flavors of tea. The 4 different flavors are Assam, Darjeeling, Nilgiri, or Riz. Sarah takes at random a tea bag from the tin. The table shows each of the probabilities that the flavor of the tea bag is Assam, Darjeeling, or Riz. Work out the probability that the flavor of tea Sarah takes is Nilgiri. Okay, so we know that 1 whole is equivalent to 100%. Given that we have all the other probabilities, we can subtract this from 1 to get the probability that it is Nilgiri. So 1 minus 0.38 minus 0.24 minus 0.16. And we can use a calculator here. 1 minus 0.38 minus 0.24 minus 0.16 gives us 0.22. So that is our probability, 0.22. Work out the probability that the flavor of the tea Sarah takes is either Darjeeling or Riz. So what does that mean? That means we have to add Darjeeling and Riz. So Darjeeling is 0.24 and Riz is 0.16. So when we add that together, we simply get 0.4. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.